Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to yet another episode of the Grooming Guru. I know a lot of my products are often on the expensive side. Hence, a lot of you have sent in messages asking me to do affordable products. So this time I decided to pull out my grooming kit and do a few good quality products where you don't have to pay too much money. So here are my picks of the most affordable grooming products that I absolutely love. Starting with this moisturizer that I recently discovered is called the FACEWASH moisturizer. It's a super light moisturizer. This big bottle costs $4.90. So, you know, a lot of the moisturizers in the market are really expensive. So I'm just going to show you now. I have used this moisturizer for about 3 or 4 months and it's really working for my skin. I've not noticed any breakouts and the texture is so light. It's literally like putting water onto your face. I'm just going to show you. Okay, so this is how light it is. Okay, always apply your moisturizer upwards. So there, I don't feel the residue anymore. It's literally so light. So this is the FACEWASH super light moisturizer, which is especially for oily and acne prone skin. Another affordable product that I discovered and that I spoke about recently is this, the Pantene Pro V Open Hair Miracle. Now this big tube, guess what? It costs $190. I bought it off Nykaa. It's really good. This can be actually used as an oil replacement. So before shampoo, keep for 30 minutes and rinse off. You can use it as a serum. So I use it as a serum. I just leave it in my hair after a shower and leave it all day. Keeps my hair really moisturized. Conditioner, which you can use after a shampoo and wash it off, or even as a heat protectant when you are styling your hair with a hair dryer or an iron. This is basically just like a conditioning paste, which you just apply like this. It smells amazing, by the way. It's got a great texture and you just apply this to your hair and it really feels good. And guys, it has really kept my hair healthy and moisturized. I've been using it for about 6 months now on a daily basis and I can see that there's been much less breakage on my hair and hair fall, and it's kept my hair nice and thick. So one affordable product, really good quality. You know what? Everyone needs to have a nice lip balm in their pocket or in their backpack. The Nivea Lip Balm is an old favorite. It costs only 140 rupees. It's got a very light smell. It's got a very light smell. It smells really nice and very good quality, very moisturizing for the lips. You don't need to go out and spend too much on a lip balm, and it's got an SPF 15 as well. Now, I always say that you need to have a good collection of colognes or perfumes, and colognes and perfumes are always expensive. But you know, when you go for sports or when you go to the gym, you can use something that's relatively inexpensive but good quality. So I discovered this once again on Nykaa or on Amazon, I can't remember. This one costs $220. Like, I've been using it for almost 8 or 9 months and it's still not over. This is a SetWet perfume spray. So it's actually a water-based spray. So it looks like an aerosol can, but it's a water-based spray. It smells super fresh, it's long lasting, and it's great when you have to go to the gym and don't want to use something super expensive when you go for your sports or your workout. Also nice to just throw into the bag, and of course very good quality, because very often perfumes or body sprays that don't cost too much are sometimes very overpowering and not very good quality, so you have to be aware of that. This one definitely is of good quality. Here, I need to show you one of my old favorites, which is the Johnson's Baby Hair Oil. Guys, you need to have this all the time. So in case you don't use a moisturizer, just a bit of Johnson's Baby Hair Oil is really good. It costs $90 for this bottle. One more insider tip. I love using Johnson's hair oil on my hair. So if I'm going to work and I don't have anywhere to go and I just want to keep my hair neat and tidy and not style it too much, I just take a little Johnson's hair oil and put it. I've been using this for years, for as long as I remember, literally on a daily basis. So it really saves you from putting all those artificial products and heavy gels and waxes in your hair. And if you just want to I don't promise you the best quality styling with this, but if you just want your hair to look neat and tidy and have some moisture during the day, Johnson's Baby Hair Oil is really good. And of course, I've spoken about this product all the time, constantly using this for 15 years. The Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash is absolutely amazing. cost 65 rupees for this tube. I always keep this in my bag, in my backpack. There's one tube in my backpack, there's one kit in my travel kit. Really good to clear out your face against pimples and acne. I have seen it myself. I've been using it constantly, and yes, definitely I've seen the effects. So yep, there goes. These are some of my favorite affordable products. Guys, if you have some good affordable products that you'd like to share and you want to share with me your experience, please do leave me a comment. In the meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till my next Grooming Guru video, stay safe.